Hi guys, in this quick video I will show you how to replace your xenon bulb at your Audi A6 4F xenon headlight. To be more precise, this headlight is used between 204 and 2004 and 2008 models. If you have a low beam failure, you have to check basically your xenon ballast, xenon igniter or your xenon bulb. Assuming that your bulb is faulty, let me show you how to replace your xenon bulb without damaging your igniter or the bulb itself. First of all, you have to turn your xenon igniter counterclockwise, quarter turn, and then the igniter plug will eject automatically. Then you have to pull it gently and remove your igniter, and then you will see your xenon bulb. There are two retaining springs at each side of the bulb, which are fixing your xenon bulb at place. The key thing here is the order that you are following when you are replacing your xenon bulb. Assuming that this is the non-working one, and then you are replacing your xenon headlight. First of all, you have to observe the top notches. There are two notches up there, as you can see. And then you have to, the notches should be at 12 o'clock position at the very top. Once you feel it that the bulb is in place, you have to put the retaining springs located at each side, and then you have to make sure that your bulb is not moving, because it's crucial when you are putting your xenon igniter. The most important thing that you have to be sure is checking the igniter openings, guide openings. They should be at place. Right now the openings are not aligned, as you can see. Now the openings, the internal ring and the openings are aligned. If they are not aligned, let me show you. If they are not aligned, you can still put the bulb inside, but you cannot turn it at any side. If you push it, then you will break the internals of your igniter. So it's very important to align your openings, the internal ring with the opening. Now, as you can see, it's aligned. Only then you have to put your igniter back. You can put your igniter back at very different positions, but just pay attention and select the best position for your igniter plug. If I put it like this, you are just putting a little bit, and you will feel that the pins of the bulbs are into the igniter. If I put it this position, you will see that it will be very difficult to put the igniter plug back. Especially if you are changing your bulb, an igniter, at your car without removing the headlight, this will be a pain to insert the igniter plug. It will be a real pain. That's why, as you can see, it's very difficult. That's why I will choose another position to insert the igniter. I will put it upside down in order to have a clear access to the plug position. Here you can see. Now it's much more easier to put it back. I think that's all I have to say about bulb replacement, xenon bulb replacement. If you have any questions, just drop down at the comment section. If you subscribe to my channel, I will be very happy. Thanks for watching, guys. All the best. Bye for now.